Approximately 17,000 brand new Volkswagen vehicles were struck by hail in 2013. Not good news for the clients who are in line to receive them. Maybe the inflatable covers from hail suit could have been useful. They truly are a revolutionary. They're designed to withstand a wide range of extreme weather. The manufacturer of this device is very certain that hailstones up to 50 millimeters in diameter can be withstood by these covers. The cost is about $224. Professional auto thieves can get inside a vehicle in just 35 seconds. Is there footage of successful auto thefts in this video? No way, since these vehicles are outfitted with the Faust 11 system, which provides a legitimate fright to would-be auto thieves. Faust 11 uses a combination of a 120 dB siren, an engine block, and smoke filling the interior to draw attention to the offender and force them to from the scene quickly. The system will set you back approximately 100. The Sentinel clutch clause manufacturers assert that this is most likely the only car security system you'll ever require. In tests, it took an experienced car thief more than 30 minutes to destroy the gadget, which locks the clutch and brake pedals. Nearly all autos can use the Sentinel clutch claw, which costs $160. Arla is a more sophisticated car protection system designed by auto professionals. It stops the engine and automatic gearbox from working if a car thief attempts to escape by entering the cabin. As long as there is power and access to the CAN bus, you can put IGLA practically anywhere in the automobile, and it remains invisible until it activates. The business has even considered a scenario a la Hollywood. A criminal will not get very far if they remove the driver from a moving vehicle. IGLA turns off the engine and sounds the alarm after 300 meters. Additionally, dash cams are becoming more advanced. This one not only completes its primary task but also looks out for questionable people. After receiving a notification on their smartphone, the owner of the vehicle can immediately connect to the recorder to see a live broadcast. The movie can be stored on the cloud. There is also two-way communication available. The dashcam offers a GPS tracker in the event that the vehicle is stolen. The cost of the item is $250. Thousands of cars are kept safe with rim guard locks. So far, no one has been able to steal the wheels off any of these vehicles. Yes, you can use a bolt cutter to cut the locks, but why create a disturbance when there are probably automobiles around without rim guards? The locks are also simple to install. It takes about 15 minutes to secure all four wheels. For $349, you can have 4 locks, keys, and all the accessories you need for an Audi. Have you seen amusing footage of motorists having trouble parking? Perhaps funny for you, but not so much for the people who own the automobiles next to you. Thankfully, BumperBot, a clever alternative, is available on Kickstarter. These light signals are intended to help other motorists park. BumperBot's ultrasonic motion sensors ensure that they always honk immediately. It also activates its siren if a car approaches too closely. The cost of the front and rear BumperBot kit is $160. Thus is the best bumper dirt guard in the world. The inventor of Gunky Guard asserts, introducing Mariana, who understands the difficulty of packing everything in her trunk, including children's dance costumes and food. Additionally, she was always getting her clothes muddy from contacting the rear bumper. For this reason, she devised Gunky Guard. It's interesting how many uses there are for this mat. For instance, using it as a kneeling surface for tire repairs. The cost of each mat is $64. Car alarms made in Andorra are unique and groundbreaking. They let you use your smartphone to control your automobile directly. Consider the Pandora VX3100, for example. It transmits a ton of data, including window positions, to the car owner, and is compatible with both 2G and 4G networks. You may send commands such as locking the engine to operate your car from anywhere. The retail price of the Pandora VX3100 is $370. ExoShield protective film is an excellent enhancement for cars and is so dependable that it can be used in airplanes. ExoShield's manufacturer claims as much. Glass has a 6-fold increase in impact resistance. Furthermore, the film offers protection against UV rays, while the glass's light transmittance only drops by 1.5%. ExoShield has a 2-year lifespan on average. A self-installation kit for the Jeep Wrangler is available for $179. Check out what the manufacturers claim to be the tiniest fire extinguisher in the world. Measuring only 30 centimeters in length, Element E50 weighs a pitiful 275 grams. Element lasts for a good 50 seconds and can put out wiring or burning oil even if it is little in size. Greater than some conventional fire extinguishers by 5 times. An Element E50 with a mounting clip costs $90. Theft of cars is starting to resemble hacking. They may now steal smart keys, remotely breach alarm systems, and carry out other tasks without ever coming into contact with CCTV and dashcam footage. Off-Grid provides a method to guard against hacking, at least in part. It's a protective casing, like a miniature Faraday cage. In this scenario, placing an alarm fob or smart key will prevent them from using wireless communication channels. The contents of the case will not be accessible through any means of communication, including GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, RFID, or cellular. This ensures that the data cannot be accessed or read by intruders. The cost of the case is $24. Electric cars are damaged by rats. The BTP team reports that they recently had a woman whose electric vehicle sustained $14,000 worth of damage. BTP advises using their mats to safeguard your vehicle. Rats are made to flee from the car by these mats, which surround it and shock them without killing them. The cost of the mat's basic version is $1,900. In particular, for drivers who are not entirely accustomed to driving in reverse, the hitch hammer turns out to be a useful purchase. When struck, this rear bumper guard bends to shield the vehicle from dents, chipping, and other harm. A single hitch hammer costs $50, and the seller guarantees that the protection is still flexible in cold weather. Let's go back to the problem of stolen cars, which affects a lot of nations. For instance, in a single year, France recorded 161,512 car thefts. The stop-lock steering wheel lock is useful in this situation. Potential auto thieves are warned to keep away by the Pro Elite version's vivid yellow color. Since the lock is protected from drilling, breaking it will take a long time and loud instruments, such as an angle grinder. The cost of a stop lock is $61. The ASV team provides innovative tires that are resistant to punctures. A unique polymer-based gel layer covers every tire, oil, and resin. This gel successfully seals the perforation by penetrating it. Simply remove the thing that is causing the puncture from the tire, and you should be good to go. There is no effect on driving because the gel patches endure the entire life of the tire without lowering pressure. ASV offers a 3-year or 40,000 kilometer guarantee. The gel has already been modified for use with tire behemoths like Pirelli. Tire prices start at $148. Thefts of catalytic converters increased by around 8 times in the US in 2020. For this reason, drivers voluntarily spend $160 on safety devices like CatStrap. According to the firm, thieves have a mere 1% probability of succeeding. With CatStrap, there are 2 more parts. The initial one is a sound alert known as Cat Eye Alarm. The second is a device called Die Defender that paints thieves blue. Those steel inserts are effective for defense as well. According to the maker, they're a good option especially for police cars because they're custom produced and laser cut. These pins belong on a front door, not an automobile door. Unexpectedly, they offer an extra degree of security in both situations. An electric drive that is designed to last for 40,000 cycles or 20 years powers the pins. This system is offered as a made-to-order solution and functions flawlessly in temperatures ranging from 90 to -50 degrees Celsius. Going one step further, the creators of Nemesis Ultra assert that their wheel locks are the greatest in the world. Each lock can be quickly and easily installed in approximately 10 seconds with one hand. The concept is straightforward. The wheel is stopped from spinning if you attempt to drive away without unlocking the lock by a steel rod that passes through it. Nemesis Ultra locks cost $172 each.